Hello everyone and welcome to this week's MISys tips and tricks video. This week we are going to show you how to send your purchase orders to your suppliers with the click of a button. So the first thing that we need to make sure is our email setup, which we can get to under the administration menu, company options. Obviously, to be able to access company options, you need to be the only one that is logged into the company. Otherwise, you're going to get an error dialog box telling you that there are other users that are logged in, and we cannot make any changes in company options while other people are logged in. So once you log into company options, you go to the email tab, and here you need to set up your SMTP server and port related port. If it is Office 365 you're using, the port is 587. But also we set up here a PO email body text. We can write whatever we want here. This is something that you can customize per individual PO if you want, but this is what is going to show up as a default. Now, when we go to our purchasing order menu and select our purchase orders submenu, I have created a PO here as a sample for us to work with. And we have our PO created and open. It is possible to send this PO with the click of a button to anyone that should be receiving the PO on the supplier side. However, many people get confused with this email and the send buttons here. This is not where the PO is sent. This is just an email address for your contact at the supplier. This might be the sales manager or anybody else that you want to communicate with when there may be issues. And when you click the send button here, all you get is your mail app, in this case Outlook, pop up with that email as the to address, allowing you to compose a email from scratch. We don't want to save this. However, when we want to send POs, this is not what we want to do. It is the send PO button on top that we want to use. And when we click that button, a dialog box pops up with a different email address as the to address here. Maybe we want to send our orders, our purchase orders to an order desk, and that email address is here. Both this email address and our contact's email address are entered at the supplier master, which we will show shortly. But as you can see, the message that is populated as a default is what we show you at the company options email tab. But I am able to send, sorry, change this as I want. The PO as a PDF file is automatically attached, so I don't have to do anything. And a subject is automatically created with the specific PO number and from our company name. So the PO number is here and it's populated here. So I'm not going to send this. I'd rather go and show you on the supplier master where these fields are set up. So let's cancel out of here. On your purchase order, once you select your supplier, there's a drill down button here that you can drill it and it'll open the master file of that specific supplier. The first email address we have, which might be again the manager, the sales manager, is entered here under contact information. However, the second email address that is for the PO recipient's email is under the delivery tab, PO recipient's email, order@edmunds.com. It is possible to enter multiple email addresses here, separated with a comma and a space, and then whatever email address that you want. You can enter here, and when you save it, and close and go back to the PO to send the PO, you will, sorry, we have to refresh our PO. And when you do that, and when you hit send PO, you'll see both email addresses are now there to receive this PO from us. I hope this helps you use MISys more effectively.